Hello students, welcome to Maths Magica. Today we will discuss about temperature. What is temperature? The measure of the hotness or coldness of an object is called temperature. The instrument which helps us measure temperature is known as thermometer. There are two types of thermometer, laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. Scales for measuring temperature is Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale. Now let's discuss how to convert degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Formula is degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply with 5 by 9. The first example is convert 68 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. Solution of the question is, first write down the formula. Degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply with 5 by 9. Put the value of degree Fahrenheit 68. 68 minus 32 multiply with 5 by 9. 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. Multiply with 5 by 9. Now simplify. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36. 4 multiply by 5. 4 multiply by 5 is 20. Therefore, 68 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 20 degree Celsius. This is your required answer. Let's do one more example. Convert 80.6 degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. Solution of the question is, first write down formula. Degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 multiply with 5 by 9. Put the value 80.6 minus 32 multiply with 5 by 9. 80.6 is a decimal number. 80 is the whole number part. 6 is the decimal part. Minus 32. 32 is the whole number part. Decimal part is 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 10 minus 2 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. 48.6 multiply with 5 by 9. 48.6 multiply by 5 is 243 divided by 9. You got 27. Therefore, 80.6 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 27 degree Celsius. This is your required answer. Let's move on to next topic, conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 multiply by degree Celsius plus 32. Example is convert 35 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Solution of the question is, degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 multiply with degree Celsius plus 32. Put the value 9 by 5 multiply by 35 plus 32. Now 5 ones are 5, 7 fives are 35. 9 multiply by 7 plus 32. 9 sevens are 63 plus 32 is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. 35 degree Celsius is equal to 95 degree Fahrenheit. This is your required answer. Fourth example is convert 42.4 degree Celsius into degree Fahrenheit. Solution of the question is, first write down formula. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 by 5 multiply with degree Celsius plus 32. Put the value 9 by 5 multiply with 42.4 plus 32. 9 multiply with 42.4 is 38 381.6 divided by 5 plus 32. Simplify it. 381.6 divided by 5 is 76.32 plus 32. You got 108.32. 76.32 is a decimal number. 32 is a whole number. Write it as 32.00. Whole number part under whole number part and decimal part under decimal part. Then your answer is 108.32. Therefore, 42.4 degrees Celsius is equal to 108.32 degree Fahrenheit. This is your required answer. Now one more temperature scale is called Kelvin temperature scale, and we will learn about relationship between degree Celsius and Kelvin. The first formula is degree Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273.15. Second formula is Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Let's solve one example of converting Kelvin into degrees Celsius. Convert 341 Kelvin into degrees Celsius. Solution of the question is, first write down formula. Degree Celsius is equal to Kelvin minus 273.15. Put the value Kelvin 341 minus 273.15 minus you get 67.85. 341 Kelvin is equal to 67.85 degrees Celsius. This is your required answer. Second example is converting degree Celsius to Kelvin. Convert 25 degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Solution of the question is, first write down formula. Kelvin is equal to degree Celsius plus 273.15. Put the value 25 plus 273.15. Add, you get 298.15. Therefore, 25 degrees Celsius is equal to 298.15 Kelvin. This is your required answer. Thank you.